A, apple. B, bear. C, cat. D, dog. E, elephant. F, fox. G, giraffe. H, hippo. I, iguana. J, jelly. K, kangaroo. L, lion. M, monkey. N, nest. O, octopus. P, penguin. Q, queen. R, rocket. S, sun. T, turtle. U, umbrella. V, violin. R, whale. S, xylophone. Y, yak. Z, zebra. R, whale. Great job! Now you know your phonics.